In this video, I am going to show you how to fix sound error called 0x8000ffff in Windows 11. So you should go now to the search menu, type in settings. Now after we have done that, just go ahead, click on open. So now after you have clicked on open, just wait a couple of seconds. Then go ahead, click on system, which is available at the left side of the screen. And then go ahead, scroll down until you find troubleshoot. So when you find it, just go ahead, double click on it, and then click on other troubleshooters. After that, just locate the Windows Update Troubleshoot and then click on Run. And follow the steps in the Windows Update Troubleshoot. So after you have done that, the next step is to go ahead to the search menu and then type Turn Windows Features On or Off. Then click on Open, and now just wait a couple of seconds. And then make sure these two are checked. Then click on OK. After that, just make sure that you check your Windows updates. So if you're up to date, click on Check for Updates. To see if you have any updates, you have to install and restart your computer for changes to take place. Now, after we have done that, just type Windows Security Settings, and then double-click on it. After that, just wait for the settings to open up for you. And from here, just click on Virus and Threat Protection, which is the first option. So just scroll up and double click on it. And now just wait a couple of seconds. Then go ahead, click on Scan Options. And click on Quick Scan. Then scroll down and click on Scan. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.